Helicopters are a huge asset in Afghanistan. They transport food, mail, supplies, and people quickly. A dedicated team or crew is needed in order for U.S. Army Chinook helicopters to complete these missions safely. Bravo Company 152 with the 16th Combat Aviation Brigade out of Fort Wainwright, Alaska, have increased the size of some of their Chinook flight crews over the past couple of months to include Afghan Air Force crew chief volunteers. The Afghan volunteers fly with Bravo 152 for up to 24 flight hours to learn the responsibilities of a Chinook crew chief.
Crew chief basically works for a flight engineer, all that, make sure all the maintenance and inspections are done in aircraft, make sure the aircraft's loaded correctly, nothing's dangerous, passengers and cargo are properly restrained.
Not only are crew chiefs responsible for loads carried inside the helicopter, they can also be responsible for single point loads, which are hooked on right here. During the flight, single point loads were hooked to the helicopter using a ground crew and a shepherd's pole. The shepherd's pole is used to hook up external loads from inside the aircraft. The Afghan Air Force volunteers are eager to learn new techniques from the U.S. Army and teach them to their fellow airmen.
This training will help my fellow airmen, my country, and now we will be able to train future airmen.
By volunteering and working side by side with the U.S. Army, the Afghan crew chiefs are taking proactive steps to improve their load planning, crew coordination, and maintenance skills. From Kandahar Airfield, Afghanistan, I'm Army Sergeant Mark Jachlewski.